50mm 1.8, one of the most popular lenses in photography and somewhat in videography as well. The lens is popular because of some specific reasons. So in this video we are going to discuss why this lens is so popular among all the photographers and videographers and why you should also own it. But before moving further, intro. So 50mm 1.8, where 50mm being the focal length and 1.8 being the aperture. So first, let's talk about the focal length. So in photography, 50mm focal length is actually very flexible. The 50mm focal length can be used for street photography, portrait photography for which it is specially made, for product photography, and for landscape photography at times as well. So as this focal length covers almost all the genres of photography, so it is one of the most flexible focal length, and this is the reason why 50mm 1.8 is so popular, because of its focal length. So this focal length is neither too wide like the 24mm or neither too shallow or neither too zoomed in like the 85mm or 105mm. So 50mm focal length becomes the primary reason for the popularity of this lens. So in videography, the 50mm focal length is actually not that ideal, but still it can be used for many product shots or even shooting YouTube videos in a studio, though I would not recommend it for shooting YouTube videos because I would rather go for 16-35 or 24mm in such focal lengths would be the ideal reasons for me to shoot at. Now the next reason of its popularity is the f1.8. So being f1.8, it gives a really good bokeh. So either you click images or make videos from it, you will get a really good bokeh, and this is the biggest plus point of its popularity. So the shallow depth of field really helps to separate the subject from the background. Now the next reason we are talking about is the good low light performance of it. So whether you click images or shoot videos, you always need a good low light performance, because you will not get enough light every time, and bumping up the ISO will bring noise in the image or in any video footage. So this is where the f1.8 gives a very good low light performance because of its wide aperture. So the next and the last reason we are talking about is its price. Now you won't believe me, it's just $100 or just 8,000 rupees in India, which is damn level cheap considering the value it gives, the output it gives in photography and videography. I have seen many lenses which are way more expensive than this, but yet don't deliver that level of quality. So this is the reason why this lens is so much recommended and why you should get one if you still don't have it. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope the video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button below down there. And having that said, see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.